type.
Third one is Tokyo type.
I can see the
Last
one is B and T type. Why is this why they are so
special?
Special, yes.
Yes, it is combination of Bennett flow meter and Tokyo pump. Some customers in Tokyo, they prefer use Tokyo pump, but they think the Tokyo flow meter, the flow rate is not so enough for them, so they will choose to change the flow meter to Bennett flow meter.
Okay,
yes,
I
it's
know.
a special combination.
Okay, because in Africa, some countries have water in the oil, right? So the token type is will be
more easily to get rust.
Yes, so they can choose the aluminum type to change it.
Yes.
Okay.
It will be more long life use.
Okay. The second is submersible type. Oh, there isn't a pump and a motor. Why?
Because the submersible type is there's no pump and motor inside each fuel dispenser, but you can choose one submersible pump into the tank and push the fuel to fuel dispenser, and you can see there is a large pipe, right?
Yes, I see.
The motor pushes the fuel into the pipe, and one pipe separated to several holes, and then several holes can connect to each fuel dispenser.
Okay.
So it can save much more cost for customers.
Okay, let me see. There is no pump and no motor because the pump and the motor is connected in the tank.
Yes.
Okay, so if my gas station is a small gas station, can I use submersible?
You can choose submersible, but if you only have one or two fuel dispenser, we will recommend you to choose suction type.
Okay.
Yes.
It will make me save more money.
It will be more convenient for you.
Okay, I see. Oh, if I have a bigger gas station, so then I can choose submersible type, and there is one motor and one pump with more fuel dispenser.
Yes, can save much more money for you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's introduce you our measuring can. There are two measuring cans here.
Two? Okay, Cindy, I can see the material is different.
Yes.
What's the material about this measure can?
It's made of carbon, and this one is made of stainless steel.
Stainless steel?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Is there has more long service life?
Yes, stainless steel is not so easy to get rust. And you can see there is a test result attached the measuring can. The capacity of it is 20 liters.
Okay, how can I choose the two measure can? If I want 10 liters or other liters, do you have 100 liters of measure can?
Yes, 150 liters, 10 liters, 20 liters, 50 liters, 100. 200 and even much more bigger liters we also have. You can contact us which capacity you need and which materials we can also provide. Welcome to
Okay.
contact us.
Okay, I can choose 10 liters, 20 liters, 30 or 50 liters, right?
Yes, 100.
Okay, just depends on what's your need.
Let's move to the next part.
Yes. Okay, Cindy. There has a more different nozzle. Is first one is
ZVA nozzle.
yes, ZVA nozzle. We have many different brand of the nozzle, right?
Yes,
Such as OP.
ZVA nozzle, OPW nozzle.
Yes, and our own brand
Yes,
and
own brand.
Tatsuno nozzle. The nozzle, what's the size about this nozzle?
This nozzle is 3/4.
3/4.
Yes, the spout is 3/4.
Could I choose 1 inch the nozzle? 1 inch size?
1 inch size. This one is 1 inch size.
Okay. This one is 1 inch, and here has a filter in it.
Yes. And this one, do you know what's this nozzle? It's used to fill dispenser or not?
No, I think this different from this oil nozzle.
Yes.
Is this for LPG dispenser?
Yes, you are right. It is used to LPG dispenser.
Okay.
Okay. And there are 3 nozzles. What's the size of this one? The spout size?
1 inch.
Yes, 1 inch. You're right.
Okay, this is 3/4 manual nozzle.
Nozzle, yes.
Yes. Cindy, I see this nozzle has different colors. This is red. If I want green nozzle or blue nozzle, is this okay?
Yes, it's available for us to produce for you. And except yellow, blue, we can also provide black, gray.
Black, gray.
Yes, black,
Orange.
gray, blue, orange.
And,
And,
red, purple.
Purple.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
And yellow, right?
Yellow, yes, okay. The color is optional.
Okay.
So, and these 3 spare parts is solenoid valve.
Solenoid valve.
Yes, this 2 is used to fuel dispenser, and that one is used to LPG dispenser.
Okay. The 2 is different, and this one is flange.
Flange type.
Flange type, and
Yes.
this one is screw type. Okay.
Yes. And this one is controller.
Yes.
You can find this controller is installed into a box.
Yes.
Do you know why we design it to in a box?
Let me see. It is with a box. Is in order to protect the
Component inside it, right?
yes, and there has so many accessories in it. So if you transfer it by sea or by car, it will be more safety.
Yes, not so easy to be damaged, right?
Yes, and we have another designs.
Yes.
don't with the books.
Yes, vertical type and vertical type.
And the horizontal type.
Horizontal type, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so I found there is a paper attached the controller. What's the usage of it?
Yes.
There are many
Keyboard.
Is it a guidebook of the controller?
Yes.
The number 1, number 2 is keyboard.
Yes.
Number 3 and number 4 is display. So this controller can control 2 display, right?
Yes.
Okay. So customer can operate it very easy because we attached a guidebook on it, right?
Yes. Okay. Let's see the next part. Here has 3 different display boards. First one is 3-in-1 display, and the second and the third is 2-in-1, and the last one is separate display.
Yes, and I found the 3-in-1 is blue, right?
Yes.
But I will prefer the white screen. Can I choose this one to white screen?
Okay, we have different colors of the display. You can choose blue screen with white word and white screen with black word and yellow screen with white word.
Which one is the most popular in our company?
This one, blue screen with white word.
Okay, I got it. So this is keyboard, and I found there is a cover in it.
Yes.
What's the material of it?
This material, we can see it is plastic.
Plastic. And how about this one?
This one is stainless steel. The two all same, the stainless steel material.
What's the difference between these two stainless steel keyboard? I found there were 4 different types: P1, P2, P3, P4.
Yes, there has 4 P1, P2, P3, and P4. If the customer wants to 10 liters, we can set the P1, and next when they fill the oil, you can enter P1, and here has 10 liter already.
Okay, wow, that's very great function. So it can save much more time to operate in the filling station, right? And it is very convenient for staff.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Cindy, here has 2 different design. One is the vertical design, and one is the horizontal design.
This one is vertical type, and this one is horizontal type.
Okay.
Yes, and this 3 is also vertical type, but this display is a little special. You can find there is a hole here.
Okay.
Can we put our credit card into it?
Yes, we suppose the IC card, and the customer can put their IC card into, then they can.
Yes, I got it. So I found this display with P1, P2, P3, P4, but that one without these 4 type for press button. So the price of this one will be a little higher than that one, right?
Yes, this is a special design, and it can depend on your needs. You can choose it.
Okay, I found there are many hoses there. Can you introduce this hose to me?
This hose is firstly we can see the color is different. This is yellow, green, blue, red, and black. So if you want different color, you can just tell us and what's your need.
Okay.
Then we can see the size is different.
Yes. What's the size of this one?
The size is bigger. It's 2 inches.
2 inches. This is a little smaller than this one. It must be 1.5 inches, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And
so what's the size of this one?
This one is 1 inch size. And the last one is 3/4 size.
It is standard size.
Yes.
Okay. And you can see, we can see there were 3 different types of breakaway. This
Yes.
one is for LPG dispenser.
Yes.
And both of these two is used to fuel dispenser.
Yes. We have different brand of breakaway, such as this is OPW breakaway, and we can choose other.
Yes, we can choose this one, right?
Yes, this is a standard one and the cheaper one. It can save more money.
Okay, there are 2 swivel here, and I found they are different.
Yes.
What's the difference between them?
This one,
I can rotate it. Why?
because this has 2.
This is non-fixed swivel, right?
Yes, and this one
Can't rotate. It is fixed swivel.
Yes, and here one is it can rotate 360 degrees.
Yes, it is very convenient. And this one is oil indicator.
Yes, there has 2 different oil indicator.
Yes, this indicator, we will recommend you to choose it when the hose is hand low. And this one is recommended when the hose hand high.
Yes, they can see if there has impurity in the oil.
Oil, yes.
Okay.
It is necessary for you to choose these spare parts.
Yes.
Yes.
The 2 is LED screen, right?
Yes. And the size is different. The above one is larger than the under one.
Yes. And we can choose different color of
Yes.
the LED.
Which color can
Black.
how many colors?
How many colors? Let me see. Black,
Black,
red, white.
red, white.
And
How about orange?
Sure, it can be orange.
Gray?
Gray, yes.
Yes, so you can choose to put different letters on it, such as your company name, your filling station name, welcome to come our company, or other advertisement.
Yes.
Yes.
Our company can purchase the minimum quantity is 1 pieces. And you can buy one for sample, or for other larger quantity, it can sell more fridge.
Yes. So let's move to next part. The fuel dispenser. The Hope dispenser. Hope series fuel dispenser.
Hope series.
Yes, Hope series. This one.
This one is the fuel dispenser. One is our main product, and the design is also popular in many countries.
Yes, and the name is, and this is Hope series named by Amanda, a very nice lady.
Yes.
But I think it's not so tall. It is a little.
Yes.
Yes.
We have a higher
Yes.
fuel dispenser.
Is the size the standard one in our company?
Yes, it's a new design, and you can choose other design.
Yes, there are many different models in our company. You can choose which you prefer. And this one, what's this behind the cover?
This one is a printer.
Printer, what's the function of it?
You can into a purple in it, and when we complete the filling,
The tickets will be printed, right?
yes.
Yes, so there is a different, that's a special button here. The color is red and the background is yellow. What's this?
This is emergency stop button. When we our gas station will have some emergency scenes. If there emergency scenes happen, you can push it, and the fuel dispenser will
stop, right?
yes.
But how can I restart the fuel dispenser? How can I do?
We can
Rotate it.
yes. Now they are work again.
Okay, so the emergencies happen such as some driver forget to put the hose nozzle into
Yes.
the fuel dispenser and they pull the hose away. It will be very dangerous.
Yes. So then we
we
can push it.
So we will recommend the customer to choose breakaway.
Yes.
Yes, which can break away. The function is when driver forget to pull down the hose will be break down from the breakaway, and the fuel dispenser is also very safety still here, will not be damaged.
Yes. Cindy, can I operate it now?
Yes.
If I want filling 10 liters, how can I do?
Let me try. 10 liters, right?
Yes.
10 shift menu. 10 liters. Start.
Okay. It's working now.
Yes, it's working now. 10 liters. When the 10 liters finish, the fuel dispenser will stop filling.
Okay.
Okay, let's wait a minute, please. Okay,
Okay.
10 liters finished. And let me try whether the printer is workable. Press stop. There are no tickets printed, right?
Let me see if there have. Okay,
There are no paper here.
Yes. So
If there's paper inside the printer, the tickets will be printed when the filling finished complete, right?
Yes, it's a good design, and you can choose if you need. If you didn't need, you can choose a design without the printer.
Yes. So let us move to the hose and the nozzle. This nozzle is on the side of the fuel dispenser, and we also have another choose. Okay.
When we move the hose, the fuel dispenser will start working.
Yes, because the fuel dispenser is installed with electronic power cell.
Yes, the two hose and nozzle is on the side of the machine.
Yes.
We can also choose nozzle on front of the machine.
Yes, both two nozzle on front of machine, or one on the front and another one on the back side, right?
Yes, and we can choose the one side no nozzles and the other side has two nozzles. Okay.
Yes, and this is sticker.
Yes, and the door has a more different design.
Yes.
You can also put your logo or company name
Yes.
on it.
You can also send your design to us. We can help to produce the sticker and put it on the door.
Yes.
So, how about introduce the hydraulic part?
Okay.
Where is the key?
Let's open it. Okay,
now let's move the camera on the hydraulic part.
Firstly, Cindy, how about the voltage?
The voltage is 220 volts.
220 volts. If there are any different voltage?
There are 380 volts and 110 volts.
Okay.
Yes.
So if I choose the fuel dispenser, first I will check our voltage.
Yes. And what's the brand of this pump?
The brand is Bennett type.
Bennett type.
Yes.
Okay. And what's the flow meter? Is it Bennett type brand?
Yes, it is Bennett 2.
Bennett 2. Okay. And I found there were one motor, one pump, and two flow meter. Why there were two flow meter?
The two flow meter is because there has two nozzle.
Okay, so two nozzle means these two nozzle correspond to flow meter, so they can work at the same time, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
there has one pump. It means there only use one oil in it. If you have different oils such as diesel or gasoline, you can choose two pumps.
how about kerosene? Can this fuel dispenser use to serve kerosene?
Yes.
Okay, but if I want to buy one machine to serve both gasoline and diesel, what can I do? Can you recommend me?
Okay, you can choose two pumps. So how many nozzles do you want?
I want 4 nozzles.
Okay, if you want 2 different oil, you can choose 2 pump. And if you want 4 nozzle, you can choose 4 flow meter. And then the fuel dispenser can work on the same time. You can also choose 2 flow meter.
Okay,
Then
2
you
flow
can.
meter.
Then it will be cheaper.
Okay, so if I choose 2 motor, 2 pump, and 2 flow meter with 4 nozzle, does the 4 nozzles can work at the same time?
No, it can't work at the same time because one flow meter connects 2 nozzles. So the fuel dispenser can't work at the same time.
Okay, so if I want to 4 nozzle can work at the same time, I need to choose 2 pump, 2 motor, and 4 flow meter, right?
Yes.
Okay, I understand. So I found the space is maybe not so enough to contain 4 flow meter. What can I do?
4 flow meter.
Yes, the space will be not so enough to contain.
If the flow meter have 4 flow meter, there will 4 nozzle, and you can choose 2 nozzle on front the fuel dispenser and 2 nozzle behind the fuel dispenser.
Okay. So as I know, our colleague Amanda has a container
Yes.
outside to load his order goods.
Okay,
Let's move to the container.
Let's show you the deliver
process. It's a little messy here because we are
moving the factory.
and we will tearing down the factory to building another one factory here.
Yes.
It will be 6 floor factory, right?
Yes.
So we will have much more space to produce fuel dispenser,
Yes.
spare parts, and equipment. Yes.
And here is our
Warehouse.
yes. Here has all many fuel dispenser. Okay.
Our worker is deliver the fuel dispenser into the container now. You can see our workers is deliver the fuel dispenser into the container.
Yes.
The container is 40 high cube, right?
Yes, and it can have 48.
48 standard size fuel dispenser, right?
Yes,
But if you need a specific size of fuel dispenser, please contact us and we will recommend you the available quantity to fit a container.
yes. You can see our worker is very carefully delivery.
Yes. This is our colleague Amanda.
Yes,
He's take the videos of the process of loading goods. Amanda, what's the quantity of this order? How many pieces of machine?
There are about 56 fuel dispenser inside.
So many. It is a very big order, yes.
Yes, it's a big order.
Yes. It is very.
Yeah, this is a 40 feet container this time. Usually 40 feet container can load in 48 pieces fuel dispenser, but this time we have a lot of mini type fuel dispenser. So there are 54 pieces inside.
Okay, so if the size of the dispenser is standard, 40 high cube container can deliver 48 pieces of fuel dispenser. But if there's many mini size,
Yeah.
there will more pieces can be delivered.
Yes.
Right. Okay, so.
Another side is that we can put a lot of spare parts.
Spare parts.
Yes, on the top of the cartons.
Yes, if a customer choose one container, the shipping cost will be much more saved, right?
Yes, saved a lot.
Saved a lot.
Yes.
Yes, as we know, because of the COVID-19, the shipping cost increased a lot.
Yes, it's crazy at the moment.
Yes, very crazy.
okay. I will call first.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Okay, how time flies. Thank you for your watching our live show. It's all for today. Our next live show will begin on September. Let's see you next time. Bye-bye.
If you have any questions, you can contact us. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you.